Today, I will show you how to convert a website into a mobile app using a simple online tool. This works even if you have no coding skills. First, open the website that you want to turn into an app. This can be your own web app or any website you control. Go to the address bar at the top of your browser. Select the full website link and copy it. Next, open a new browser tab and go to median.co. Once the website loads, click on Sign Up and create a free account. You can sign up using your email and password. After signing in, you will be taken to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you will see a field where you can paste your website link. Click inside that field and paste the link you copied earlier. Now, click on the button that says Build Your App. A new screen will appear asking you to enter a name for your app. Type the name you want your app to have. After that, click on Start Building My App. The platform will now begin converting your website into a mobile app. This process takes a little time, so you will need to wait until it finishes. Once the build process is complete, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will see a download option. Click on it. By default, it may show an iOS option. If you want an Android app, simply select APK from the list. Then download the file to your computer. That is it. You have successfully converted your website into a mobile app using Median. Thanks for watching.